back inside the car. It is like 31 degrees in New Jersey right now. As you can tell, I am clearly not worried about my appearance today. I got on 2 shirts under here and the hoodie, these sweatpants, just trying to stay warm. So actually, I believe it's like 27 degrees right now. It's going up to 33. And now we're gonna talk about the Sec10 pedal controller, or the Sec10 throttle response controller, I believe they call it. This is one of the simplest installs, probably no harder, if not maybe a little easier than what we just did with that wheel catch can. It is literally a box that piggybacks off the harness that plugs into your pedal for the drive-by-wire. So this car, as well as I believe all of the 6.4 liter Mopars, and maybe even some of the 5.7s. 5.7 guys, comment down below, let me know. I'm not really sure. Definitely the 6.2s, the newer ones. Many cars actually out on the market are. I know this is a popular mod amongst some of the newer Mustangs. If you have to drive a Mustang, you might as well do whatever you can to it to make it better. No, I'm just teasing. To circle back to what we were actually supposed to be talking about, the drive-by-wire cars are known for a delay, and this generation of Challenger is known to have a pretty nasty one. You think about it, you have your throttle pedal, you have a wire that's sending a signal from the throttle pedal to the ECU. Then the ECU has to process that signal and send it to the throttle body. Yes, computers are fast, and obviously they can be made faster with this piggyback unit, but the way this one was designed, there is some delay. So when you step on the gas, or let's say you don't step on the gas, but you tap it, you like to be one of those guys that's vroom, vroom, vroom. You'll notice that you don't get that. You don't sometimes even hear the throttle change at all, or see the RPMs go up at all. You can tap, you can't see my foot. You can tap the pedal, and if you're tapping it quicker than the system can process it, you notice absolutely nothing. That also causes a delay in downshifts for us automatic guys, right? We go to step on the pedal, and there's going to be a delay before the downshift. So what this unit does is it changes the voltage on that wire to the ECU, and therefore from the ECU to the throttle body, to make it react a little bit quicker. It's just eliminating, and in some cases taking away, the delay. That's really all the explanation it needs. This particular unit comes with a couple of different modes. I actually have the unit off, and you'll notice no LED. Off is just like stock. We're gonna have all the stock delay in the throttle that we would have had before. If I push it one time, I get green. Green signifies sport mode. It's going to take away some of that delay. I'm going to push it one more time, and I'm going to get this like orange color. That's its performance mode. That's going to take away a little bit more of the delay, but there is still some delay. And this would be good for normal spirited driving. Sport mode, to me, is at the very minimum is how the car should have come. This orange here, this performance mode, is definitely good for some spirited driving. And to be honest with you, that's how I've been daily driving it, is in the orange mode. Then I'm going to press it one more time, and that's race mode. Race mode is 0, or I think they call it track mode, but whatever. Race mode, track mode is 0 delay. There is 0 throttle delay. We'll talk about that when we come back to it. So I'm going to push it one more time. We have blue, which is valet mode. That's going to give us the almost maximum delay that the system can handle giving. Really handy if you're giving it to like your teenage kid, if you're actually valet parking the car, whatever the case may be. When you want maximum throttle delay, you're going to go with that there. Then we're going to push it one more time, and we got this like teal or light blue. That is eco mode. So that is designed for maximum fuel mileage, maximum fuel saving. It's very an annoying mode, and I don't see myself ever using it. On the highway, I can get about 23 miles to the gallon anyway, so we're not worried about that. Push it one more time, and we go back to off, or stock configuration. So I'll real quick show you as much as I can of the install, since the unit is already in, but I'm going to go ahead and put a picture of the unit uninstalled on the screen now. So as you can see, it is just the box, the brain. It is the harness that goes to the pedal. It is the harness for the pedal, what was in the pedal, to plug into the brain, and then it is the push button that you're going to run up under the dash. Like I said, it is super easy, but I'll try to show you how to get to that plug on this car. The hardest part about this install, I'm not going to lie, is being a contortionist to get here to look up under there. So I'm going to try to show you what I did. I may have to take the phone off the tripod. You just reach up under here and pull this piece of carpet back. At the top of the throttle pedal is a plug. We see it? It's right there. Right where my hand is, I'm touching the plug. So you're just going to unplug that plug, plug the Sec10 unit into it instead, and then it's a piggyback system. So you unplug the wire, go into the ECU from the pedal. You plug the Sec10 in the pedal, you plug the other end of the Sec10 into the wire, go into the ECU, and then you run the button right through this little hole here, as you see that wire coming up. A lot of people will mount it right where the push button start is, or I am actually going to sticky mine right on the side of the steering wheel where you saw it. I had thought that maybe for this video I was going to uninstall the unit and then put it back in to show you guys, so I had left it unstickied. I had left it unstuck for now. It is really that easy, and there are tons of videos on it. I'll try to link one down below, one of the ones that I used. But if you have any questions about how to install either one of these pieces, just let me know. comment down below or hit me up on social media. Instagram's the easiest to DM me on. That about does it for this video, guys. If you've had any fun on any of the videos, or if you're learning anything as we work on the vehicles, whether it be the bus or the Challenger or the bikes, please do me a favor and drop a sub to the channel. It costs you nothing and it helps me out more than you would ever know. If you like this video or any of the other ones, give it a like. If you didn't like it, give me a dislike and tell me down below what I can do better. But in the meantime, that wraps it up. The next video we'll probably shoot after this will either be the oil change, or we have a cool like charity event coming up, more to come. If you want to get sneak peeks on that stuff, if you want to find out what's coming on the channel, please drop me a follow on any of the social medias. It's Mr. Thomas Jonesy all around. Links down below. As always, thank you very much for checking out this video, and I will see you at the next one. Hopefully the weather warms up and we can have some fun. See ya!